Today I'm going to show you exactly how to show a like button in your blog in WordPress. We're using the built-in WordPress.com like block, no plugin and no code. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Type your username or email address and password on the WordPress login page, then click Login. You land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, click Appearance in the left sidebar. If you see Editor under Appearance, you're on a block theme. That's what we're using because it lets you place the like block directly in your single post template. Lomcon Country Template. Click Editor under Appearance to open the WordPress site editor. It loads as a full-screen editor with templates on the left. Click Templates and you'll see the list of templates your theme uses. Look for single posts and click it. This template controls every individual blog post on your site, so the like button we add here will appear across all posts automatically. Click Edit or just open the template and you're inside the layout with post title, featured image, post content, post author, post date, and maybe some other elements. Scroll through the template and decide where the like button should go. I usually place it directly below post content so people can hit it right after reading. Click the plus button, the block inserter, in the toolbar or at the spot where you want the button. Search for like. WordPress should display a dedicated like block. Click the like block and it drops into the template. You may see example profile images or placeholder information, but those are just samples. They aren't real likes and they won't show publicly. Now move the like block where you want it. I put it between post content and comments using the arrow buttons or the drag handle next to the block. With the like block still selected, look at the settings panel on the right. Depending on your setup, you can control reblog and show avatars. If you see show avatars, turn it on to show profile pictures of people who liked the post. I turn it on because that little row of faces builds social proof, but you can leave it off for a cleaner look. You may also see reblog. If you don't want the reblog option next to the like button, switch it off in the same block settings. I keep it off, it just adds clutter. Once it's positioned and configured, click Save in the top right. WordPress saves the single post template. Now visit one of your blog posts on the front end. You should see the like button exactly where you placed it, after the article content and before comments. Open the post as a visitor would and click like. The button should change to show that the post is liked. Visitors need to be logged into a WordPress.com account to use the like button, so keep that in mind when you test. After someone likes the post, their profile picture could appear next to the like button. As more people like the post, the count increases and WordPress.com can show up to 5 avatar images alongside it. When your post gets likes, visitors can see the total count, and clicking that total can display the additional people who liked the post. If someone changes their mind, they click the like button again and WordPress removes their like. Because you added the like block to the single post template, it appears automatically on your other blog post. You don't have to add it to each article manually. Open one of those posts on a mobile device and scroll down to the like button. Check that it's easy to see, the spacing looks good, the avatars don't take up too much room, and the button doesn't interfere with comments. If it doesn't look right, go back to Appearance, Editor, Templates, Single Posts. Select the like block and move it. For example, you can place it directly below post content instead of below comments. For a clean layout, I keep the order as post title, featured image, post content, like button, comments. That puts the button right after the article. Don't grab the normal buttons block for this. The buttons block creates button-style links, not the real WordPress like system. Also, don't confuse it with sharing buttons. That block sends content to Facebook, LinkedIn, or WhatsApp, which is not the same as the post like button. If you search for like and don't see the block, your site may not have the feature available. Since this is a no-plug tutorial, don't install anything yet. Check whether you're on WordPress.com and whether your theme supports the site editor. If you're using a classic theme, the process is different. WordPress.com provides a setting under Settings, then Sharing, where you can enable WordPress.com likes and choose which page types display likes and sharing buttons. For a classic theme, go to Settings, then Sharing. Look for WordPress.com likes and switch it on. Then check the Show Like and Sharing button section and select the content types where you want them. After changing those settings, click Save Changes, then open one of your blog posts. Scroll to the area where the like button should appear and click it to test. If it responds correctly, your visitors can use it. Before you finish, 2 quick follow-ups. If you want the same button on static pages like your About page, open the page template from the same template screen, add the like block in the same spot, and save. And if you later want to remove it, delete the like block from the single post template and save. That removes the button from every post at once. If this got your like button working, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same fix.